Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, chrome mirror caps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.